Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain Data24-7's Do-Not-Call service. This is a service for telemarketers who are placing sales calls and who want to stay in compliance with the federal Do-Not-Call laws. Our service will allow you to look up each phone number before you dial it and see if it appears on the federal Do-Not-Call list or on your organization's internal Do-Not-Call list. There are three different ways you can access this information through Data24-7. First, we have an API. You can see the API documentation here on our wiki. If you go to data247.com/wiki and you go to API integration, this is the instructions for our API, and you can use this to integrate our Do Not Call services into your existing dialer or other application that you have. But it's possible that we've already have an integration set up with your dialer. So you can contact us on our help desk page to to ask us if we already have an integration with your particular dialer, in which case that'll save you a bunch of work. Another option, other than using our API, is using our file upload utility. This utility allows you to upload to us an Excel spreadsheet or a CSV file, and we'll process it with our Do Not Call. You'd have to choose Do Not Call here. And we'll process a spreadsheet or a CSV file of phone numbers for you. And for each one, we'll give you back a result file. And for each one, it'll show whether that phone number is on the Do Not Call list, the federal or your internal Do Not Call list. And I'll tell you which ones are okay to dial as well. And then as a third option, we have a manual transaction screen where you can choose Do Not Call, type in a phone number here, and we will tell you whether that particular phone number is on the Do Not Call list. So the next thing you should understand is that we cannot legally sell any Do Not Call data to our customers until they register here at telemarketing.donotcall.gov. This is a US government website from the FTC, and you must register here. You'd go to register new users, enter your organization name, address, all this other stuff, sign up as either a telemarketer or an exempt organization if your company is exempt. Once you've registered, they'll want you to select the area codes in which you plan to place telemarketing calls. The FTC will charge you per area code, but they will give you the first 5 area codes for free. So if your business is only making calls in your local area, you may not have to pay any money for access, because you may not use more than 5 area codes. Also, note that if you are an exempt organization, you won't have to pay for any of the area codes. You can get all of them for free. So once you select your area codes and pay for them if necessary, you'll be assigned an organization ID and a SAN number, S-A-N, a SAN number. We will need both of these numbers in order to have the legal authority to give you access to our Do Not Call service. Once you've obtained a SAN number and an organization ID, you can open a help desk ticket. You can open it here at support.data247.com. Just click on Submit a Ticket and give us both of those pieces of information, and we will update your account. Once we've completed updating your account, we'll respond to your ticket letting you know that you may start using our Do Not Call service. And you'll also see if you have you have to have a Data24-7 account with us first, by the way. So you just sign up for an account with us, and then your organization ID, SAN code, expiration date will all be here. So if you want to know more information about the telemarketing.donotcall.gov, the federal government's federal Do Not Call list, there's a great FAQ page here, which will answer all of your questions. What types of calls are covered, and what's an exempt organization, and more. A whole bunch of questions here. That should answer pretty much everything you need to know about the Federal Trade Commission's part of this process. So once your account is set up, you can use any of the 3 methods that I mentioned earlier to look up a phone number, and we will let you know if it's on your on the federal Do Not Call list. If you want us to be able to tell you that phone numbers are on your internal list, in other words, you call a prospective customer, they say, never call me again, you want to add that to your internal do not call list. So even if they're not on the federal do not call list, you'll know not to call them again. And you can use our API, or if, like I said, if the API is already integrated with your dialer, there, we have a way of receiving those do not call numbers, and then we can tell you if you try to look up that phone number again, yes, this phone number is on your do not call list as well. So that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions, definitely open a help desk ticket. Let us know and we'll help you out. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.